Tonight we got a special firework demo from Dominator Fireworks. And watch this. Bum, 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 bum. It's called Window Shaker. Now if we look down the tube here, this is all preset, pretty good size shot, shoots flaming balls and reports. Okay, we got a little bit of a warning. Now these come in an assortment. I believe there's 6. This is the red one. So this says crackle with red stars. So we're going to wait till it gets dark. We'll go off to the launch pad and see if we can shake some windows. BBQ! See you there in a minute. Yeah. Okay, so we made it to the launch pad and we got the window shaker red. Now, this is going to go quick, so you got to keep an eye on it.